Rebound ni Galviso. Wala nakuha ni Galviso. Galviso sa ilalim. 2 points for Galviso. Galviso sumaksak. Galviso dribble moves. Rise. Good.
Kain!
Galviso again. Galviso for 2 points for Superales to Galviso. Galviso sumaksak.
Nice one.
Please.
Second personal foul, first team foul, ING. Stockton Saka. Saka to Galviso. Galviso sumaksak. Foul.
Penalty na sila. Sure lang free throw.
Galviso sumaksak. Foul committed by number. Galviso. 15. Galviso for 2. Superales back to Galviso. Galviso sumaksak. No good rebound by Galviso. First off.
Shot na no.
Di man nila ba? Pang player of the game, Antoy? Gigikaduha man.
80 against 75. 81 against
Final score, 81-75, Dincius Daug.